fire other than what's burning on the inside.
So why is it still burning?
Oxygen. Basically, the carbon is ignited.
And this helps the mufflers work better?
It breathes. Yeah, what happens is that rear muffler gets...
Like you sticking a pillow over your mouth, you can't breathe. Take the pillow off and you can breathe.
That's a perfect, what am I trying to say?
Example
of, like Brandon said, it's like putting a pillow over your nose and trying to breathe through your mouth. So what this does is it cleans out the inside of the rear muffler. Now you don't have that problem on the front expansion chamber because there's much heat coming out of the exhaust manifold that keeps most of that carbon blown out. The problem you begin to have is in your pipes running from your expansion chamber onto into your rear muffler.
His smoke is following me.
Yeah. Well, they say smoke it follows beauty.
Oh yeah.
So.
Well, that's pretty cool. That's a fun thing to see.
So right now, Brandon, you're just shooting oxygen motion. And you can see, Reba, how it started here.
Once the crud starts burning off the inside, then the heat really gets to the outer skin here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's smart. I gotcha.
Do I need to get something to sit underneath that?